legal opinions bago pa man kami gumalaw. Bago po ako lumingon doon, sasabihin mo na nila sa akin kung pwede na ako lumingon doon. So, pasalamat po sa kanila. At pasalamat po sa ating lahat na nandito ngayon. At we're starting another week. Wala tayong EPS ngayon. Okay, Yusek Feliba is here, and of course the other undersecretaries, Nikki, PY, and Bernard, joining us later. And assistant secretaries are here. Sobrang dami nila, hindi na sila papakalanan. Pero sige na nga, Ayasek Jerome Alcantara, Asek Lolet, Iniesca. Ano ba si Nikki? Ano naman siya? Bisek Nick. Okay. Asek Benny Legaspi, Asek Mario Dinamang, Asek Red Alcantara, Akut. Asek Reggie Galias. Ito naman si Reg. And slew of directors for, hindi ko na babanggitin. Pero sige na, banggitin ko na rin. Director Charles, Cabo, Director Jain, Otes, Director June Aguilar back there, Director Jules, Director Ande, Director Jazz. Sino ba? Ang teto? Director June Rasul, Director Obi Sanjego, si Obi. Ano ba siya, no? Kaya mo ba ng Metro ba? At kasama lahat ng empleyado ng DMW, hindi sila babanggitin lahat. Pero sino na lang, banggitin ko na rin. Gusto ko lang banggitin, maraming, alam nyo naman ang buhay natin sa DMW bittersweet, no? May kasiyahan, may kalungkutan. And so, perhaps one more time, may I ask for a minute of silence for our dearly departed OFWs, especially those in Kuwait. Salamat po. Siguro ang huling habilin ko na lang yung sa dami ng mga activities natin na ipa-flash dyan mamaya yung ating budget. The President is so very mindful of our budget and how it will be utilized. Kaya kung napapansin ninyo, itong mga nagdaang araw, he really sits down with the departments and talks about kung paano mailalatag yung mga programa ng kanyang administrasyon. And not only that, yung sigurado, tamang paggugol, paggamit, pag-utilize ng budget ng sang-ayon sa set of standards and guidelines and processes. Walang mananaig na political consideration, walang mananaig na for election purposes. And of course, nabanggit ko, it should be in adherence to the salient objectives, noble objectives, and guidelines and processes of every program. Kaya inuupuan niya yan. In fact, it's our turn mamayang hapon with our dear President. Okay, just be mindful of that. The President always is on top of budget, planning, implementation, execution, and of course, mindful of the proper way in which the money of the people, yung kabanang bayan, ay gagamitin natin. Okay? Speaking of the budget, yung budget passage, formulation, nandito ngayon ang kinatawa natin sa Kongreso. And hindi ko na patatagalin pa, he is the husband of Dr. Jewel Salo. Kasi kanina balik na din. Di ba to? Oh, di ba? The husband of Dr. Jewel Salo. And of course, our dear friend. Sabihin niya kung ba't siya nandito ngayon. So, without further ado, the chief sponsor of our Magna Carta for Seafarers, our chair once at the Committee on Migrant Workers in the House, our champion of OFWs, champion of the DMW, our dear friend, Congressman Ron Salo.